just like him, that's our identity. We are special, shaped by God, he made us so. Precious child, he loves us, we know. Exactly his image, that's who we'll be. Created with purpose, he's guiding you and me. I belong to him, and so do you. Always his child, loved forever, that's God's plan. We are special, God made us so. Loved forever, this we know. Shaped in his image, part of his plan. You and I are special in his hands. No one else is quite like you, or quite like me. Jesus made us unique, one of a kind. Do you see? Special is part of our identity. We are special, God made us so. Loved forever, this we know. Shaped in his image, part of his plan. You and I are special in his hands. And he will never, never, ever, ever let us go. Because we're special to